Hi, it is a common practice that whenever we are making sleeve, fabric is shorter than we require, and in that situation, we worry what to do. Okay, but don't worry, this is a simple method. First of all, simply fold the fabric. We are cutting both the sleeves together and take 1.5 down from the bottom and 7-inch length or the same as armhole minus half inch. Adjust your sleeve 3-inch inside. Adjust it in such a way so that you can get your sleeve in the you could make maximum use of the fabric. Now join it from the bottom. Try to keep 1.5 inch for the seams, half inch out and curve, half inch inside and curve till the middle and then curve towards the outside, tracing wheel on the stitching line and cut as a normal sleeve. But there is a difference here that on the back side of the sleeve we have lesser fabric. So when you turn it, the other side of the sleeve, see, we don't have side seam. What do we do now? Because this would be a trouble. So generally what we do, we take a fabric, a piece of fabric, salvage side up, we keep it and we cut it, but this is a wrong method. Write down in the comment section below and let me know why this is the wrong method. See, right method is this. You place it about 1/4 of an inch overlapping on the joint and then you cut. Salvage side of this extra fabric would be up towards this joint, right? So this is the right method, and write down in the below comment section and let me know why this is right method. Now we open this sleeve. At the time of stitching, you can join this side panel and cut your sleeve, the front side of the armhole of the sleeve as usual, and this is how your sleeve would be done. So take care. Next video would be skirt cutting.